Alright, this is level 2 of the part 2 day 1 notes on transforming radical equations. So for this equation, this one has a shift where the equation is going to be moving up 2. The reason why we move up is because the plus 2 is not included underneath the radical symbol. So we need 3 points again to be able to move it up 2. So I'm going to make my table. And I know that one of my points I can use is 0 because that'll give me the vertex of my radical equation. So if I plug in 0, 1/2 times the square root of 0 plus 2, 1/2 times 0 is 0 plus 2 is 2. Because the square root of 0 is 0, and then if you multiply that goes away, so this gives me 2. So I know my one coordinate is 0, 2. Again, I'm going to use numbers that are friendly to the square root. So if I do 1/2 times the square root of 1 plus 2, 1/2 times the square root of 1, well the square root of 1 is 1, and 1/2 times 1 is 1/2, so 1/2 plus 2 is 2.5. So 1, 2.5. And then if I use another term that's comfortable with being square rooted, which would be 4, I can do 1/2 times the square root of 4 plus 2. Square root of 4 is 2. And 1/2 of 2 is 1. So 1 plus 2 gives me 3. So when I go over to my x value is 4, my y value is 3. And then now I've got enough where I can graph my function. Notice the 1/2 changes it. We talked about the values in front of either stretching or shrinking, and in this case it's shrinking it, bringing it closer together because of the 1/2. So remember, those terms in front will just change how wide or skinny your graph turns out to be. Notice we do not have any values for negative x's, because if you plug in a negative x, it gives you an imaginary number, a complex number, which won't be displayed on this coordinate plane as we have it shown. So try the graphs on the bottom and get some more practice with graphing.